Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. If somebody had a question on email, how they can draw a line all the way across their laser to cut 1-inch strips of wood. So I've got it on the top of the laser bed. I'm going to set my nudge distance on 1 inch. There's 3 ways to do this at least. I'm going to Control D and then just keep hitting Control D. You don't need a line on the last one or the top one because that wood is already cut. So if you have a piece of wood the size of your laser, that's one way to do it. The other way would be able to grab your 2-point line and turn on your parallel drawing. Make sure it's turned on here. And for some reason it goes from the bottom up. And I think there's probably a way to change that. But look at this. And the good thing about it, it's not grouped together. So you can just take that line and delete it. The other way to do it, one more way, and what I would always do is when you're through with this, turn it off and then close it down. The other one would be to draw a line, open up your Windows Docker's transformation and go right here, go Y 1 inch for 27 times. And it did it. Now you need to take away this other line again, but you can do that. So that's a transformation docker, and you know, very easily you can make it, let's say we want 2-inch strips and we want 14 of them. Then you can have 2-inch, and you can do the same thing with any of those. I mean, you could draw with the parallel line tool. You can turn this back on, change this to 1 inch or 2 inches and make 14 of them or whatever you think, and then make sure you turn this on. And then when you don't have anything to go by, start moving and hold down your control button. That way you won't get this angle. It'll have to be perfect. So there's at least 3 ways to do that. As always, I would turn this off so you won't be bothered by it when the next time you want to draw one line. I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.